Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Today, we're diving into a true American classic, the 1967 Ford Mustang GTA. A muscle car that defined an era, combining aggressive looks, refined performance, and unmistakable character. Let's take a closer look. Exterior. The '67 Mustang was more than just a refresh, it was a design evolution. For the first time, the Mustang grew in size, with a wider, longer body and more muscular lines. Up front, you'll notice the concave grille, flanked by dual headlights, a signature of the '67 model year. The GTA trim adds even more distinction, with GTA badging on the fenders, chrome accents, and optional GT fog lights embedded in the grille. This model rides on styled steel wheels with redline tires, adding to its aggressive street stance. Side scoops on the rear quarters are purely decorative, but they look great and enhance the car's athletic vibe. Out back, the triple vertical taillights remind you it's a Mustang. The dual exhaust tips are a subtle hint that this pony packs a punch. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that screams 1960s Americana, wood grain trim, chrome accents, and a sports steering wheel with the galloping Mustang logo front and center. The GTA came equipped with a deluxe interior option, featuring brushed aluminum panels, deep bucket seats, and a 5-dial instrument cluster. The layout is clean, functional, and stylish. This one's got the automatic transmission, hence the A in GTA. A center console with AT handle shifter adds to the muscle car feel. There's also a classic AM radio, no touchscreen here, just pure analog charm. It's a driver's car. Even without modern tech, the cabin wraps around you in a way that makes you feel connected to the road and the history. Performance. Under the hood of this GTA is a 289 cubic inch V8, a small block powerhouse making around 225 horsepower. Paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission and dual exhausts, it delivers a throaty growl and smooth acceleration. The GT package also brought performance upgrades, stiffer suspension, front disc brakes, and a tighter steering ratio, all designed to make the car handle better than the base Mustang. Now, it's no modern sports car, but back in '67, this was serious muscle. 0 to 60 in under 8 seconds, with a sound and feel that'll put a smile on your face every time you hit the gas. And despite its age, the Mustang GTA still feels solid on the road. It cruises effortlessly, and the V8 torque makes passing a breeze. The 1967 Ford Mustang GTA is more than just a classic car, it's a symbol of American freedom, design, and performance. With its bold looks, capable V8, and timeless charm, it holds a special place in muscle car history. Whether you're a collector, a classic car lover, or just someone who appreciates raw, analog driving, the Mustang GTA delivers an experience that's as unforgettable today as it was nearly 60 years ago. This isn't just a Mustang, it's a GTA. And that means something. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, hit subscribe, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite classic Mustang? Until next time, keep the engine running and the spirit alive.